gotta eat, and I'm in love with the money, so I'm in the street. My money stretch long, swag like lava. I'm still spinning old paper. Grandfather.
Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Brandon.
It's your girl Murphy.
And we at Red Lobster trying their new, what is it? Lobster Fest something?
It's a lobster dip we trying, but it's Lobster Fest at Red Lobster.
Yeah, I ain't talking about the food yet, I'm talking about Lobster Fest.
Oh yeah, it's Lobster Fest.
So we trying to get trying the new Lobster Fest. I ended up getting we got for the appetizer we got what?
It's the lobster dip. That's all.
Yeah, we got the lobster dip. And then I got the 3 for all shrimp. And you got the same thing, right? Mm-hmm. What shrimp you get?
I get the Walt's favorite, the shrimp linguine, and shrimp scampi.
And I got the coconut shrimp, and I got the linguine, and I got the other one. What's the other one? Scampi. Yeah. So we at Red Lobster today, trying this, see how we like it. And your little biscuits. Garlic biscuits. These.
Yeah, gotta eat. One of the best things.
You've been to Red Lobster, you know about these biscuits.
Mm-hmm. People come here just for the biscuits sometimes.
I don't know how much vitamin there is. Took the glasses up. Thank you. Perfect timing.
Oh, we got out of the way here.
Thank you.
That one. I'll be.
Thank you.
Fresh biscuits, they didn't even have to ask.
He on it. He on
point today. This lobster look amazing.
It's hot.
I can't pick it up.
You're gonna burn your hand off.
Let me taste one of these chips. That's how the chips look.
We just show them when we dip it.
Yeah.
It'll be a picture in there though. I gotta try the what's the name right away. Oh my god, it's hot.
Oh my goodness.
It's hot. I just decided to cheese.
Look at that. I got cheese on the finger.
What the?
Look at that. Look at that lobster. You see that? I don't know if y'all can see it.
Ooh, I can't even scoop this little piece of lobster up. Lord, a little scoop, a little lobster in there.
That is delicious.
It's hot.
That's good. I'm giving that 9.263.
What you think that's like a queso mixed in with lobster dip? What you think? What type? I'm just saying.
The chips nice and warm and crispy. Try this piece. Trying to get a
They
good
give you
angle
some
for y'all.
tomatoes too on the side.
What's on my face ain't there? Cheese.
You get some tomatoes on the side too. I'm gonna try it with the tomatoes.
The cheese itself is good.
What?
You burnt my bottom.
You did what?
The cheese is hot by itself.
I put a couple. You just not trying the cheese by itself?
Yeah.
Some tomatoes on there.
I don't know if you burned that close to the camera. Cause you doing this, but camera up here.
I don't know. Tomatoes good on there too.
To be honest with you, I can't wait to see the replay of that. My lip is on fire right now.
Did you see me when I first dipped the cheese before I put the lobster on there?
Yeah, see that? It should be illegal how hot this is.
You can't even tell the difference.
Yeah,
This is good.
you gotta cool it down with the bread.
Cool it down with the bread.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what?
Get that. I'm gonna dip the bread in there. I'm gonna dip the bread in it.
Ah! I'm trying to give me a piece of lobster.
Get the bread. Dip that in the cheese. Look at that.
Now, y'all know that's some real fat people stuff. I'm about to mix it. They give it a different type. Oh, thank you.
Her side salad came.
Yeah, this is
What salad is that? Caesar?
the only salad I eat here. Don't everybody else? I should have asked for extra dressing. See if I need
You're
any.
telling me to try these tomatoes. So what, you dip it in and then try the tomatoes?
I do, man. Obviously, I put the what's the name, then I give me a fork and put the tomatoes.
Tomatoes slapping them.
I mean, I'm saying. They give it a different kick
tomatoes
to
is
it.
fresh.
They give it a different kick.
You giving it?
That's like I like the dip.
Tell them.
Scale the tea. I don't know. I think I had to give it a 10 because it got lobster in it.
You
And
don't
then
even eat stuff like this.
I found out that's how you know. But that's how I felt about that queso. We went to the Mexican restaurant, and that I don't like everybody
I
queso.
always tell my wife to try different stuff. She got better than how she used to be. Though. She didn't used to try stuff.
It's just I like what I like. So
Nothing wrong with that. So cheese, you just can't pick it up and eat it.
but that's good. It looked good on the picture though. So. With the tomato, give it a whole nother
Oh, that's all cheese right there. Hey, I'm trying to get that cheesy piece.
Get you a fork. Get your fork. What you doing? A spoon? Oh, you mean all that time it was
Man,
a
the
spoon?
spoon hot too.
All that time was a spoon right there.
And it's hot in the mug.
I could have been using it.
Can y'all see that? I hope y'all get it. You see that? See that? No! I dropped it.
You sound like Homer.
Nope.
That's one of them just come and get the dip. You don't really want that.
Yeah, some people probably just come get this.
Like people feel about the spinach dip like Applebee's or something. What is it? Artichoke dip?
I love artichoke. I like artichoke. What y'all think about Red Lobster since they rebranded themselves? Have y'all been?
Better question. How y'all feel about that they don't have all you can eat shrimp at all anymore? When the new what the new CEO took over, he said
They don't have all you can eat.
he said the math ain't math. We lose too much money, so ain't no more all you eat.
Shrimp, lobster, seafood is my favorite food. I can eat shrimp 7 days a week. Every day. I can eat crab legs every day. I can eat lobster every day. It's my favorite food. What's your favorite food? Her favorite food is steak, Mexican food. What you like a
I
lot?
could eat Mexican all the time and it wouldn't bother me. But like pasta.
That was the dip, y'all. It's going down. That's a good 9.265. Something like that, 6.7. Good. My teeth. All right, so we're gonna come back at y'all again when the actual food comes.
Got it.
Brilliant stacking job that was.
Yeah.
Yeah, they had it like up this way.
Yeah. So strap this here. I'm going to make sure you guys get the full amount of stuff you need. Okay?
Thank
So,
you. I appreciate
let's see. This was the loaded potato. Looks like at least all your shrimp stayed on the plate. That was the important.
Right.
Here drop this for you and then get you some more fries.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Yes. Can you think of anything else that you need?
Just some napkins.
Napkins? You got it.
Thank you so much.
Get this corn off the floor here. Okay.
We're already started.
It's like that crazy. He was all high. He had no choice but to drop it. It's crazy. You see it?
I'm seeing
It's on
it.
camera.
Oh, I'm definitely up at the edge.
Yeah,
I
it's
didn't know
on
you had
camera.
no.
All right, so we back and stuffed, of course. I'm gonna be 500 pounds. They're gonna see me on 600-pound life.
Hey, what can I get for you today?
Lee, what's going on?
All right.
I need 3 sodas,
3 sodas.
2 bags of hot Funyuns.
2 bag hot for you.
A Nutty Buddy,
All right.
a strawberry shortcake,
All right.
an ice cream sandwich, 2 fudge round pies,
All right.
and Nutty Buddy, a plain Nutty Buddy.
You want to give me a gym membership?
You gonna roll me to the kitchen?
Who rolled you to the kitchen?
You.
I'm not.
Right, she gonna be 500 pounds.
No,
I'm gonna be sick.
no,
She gonna be
because I'm little. I ain't gonna be able to roll to
She'll
no
be
kitchen.
I'm gonna be rolling her to the
Y'all
kitchen.
really don't know, like-
rolling.
I'm gonna roll you somewhere.
No, I'm gonna roll like in a wheelchair.
I know what you
I'm
said.
gonna physically just roll you like a ball to the kitchen when you be 65.
Oh no, that's gonna be you, not me.
My 500 pound
I'm going
wife.
to give me a
My
gym
600
membership.
pound wife.
I'm going to give me a gym membership.
Man, you know you got it's real big. you,
I know.
you
Nope.
look like
I'm gonna be
you look like the leprechaun.
I'm gonna be a chunky
She
Oompa
already
Loompa.
walks like the leprechaun. I promise you right now. She be, hey, where's my pot of gold?
Have I mentioned that I want me gold? I want me gold! 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 I'll have me gold!
I promise you do. She walks like everybody say that, man. My mama say that she be having me dying, man. She
No, she ain't talking about nobody
No,
walking.
she be like, she wobbling, baby. Marcy just be wobbling.
I'm not true. It don't matter. Nobody wobbling.
We're in your 30s.
Shit.
But all right, y'all, we ate. Let me show y'all my plate without spilling this butter everywhere because I took this butter and spill everywhere. It's my plate. Saying you probably like you ain't eating the noodles. My son loves noodles, so it's gonna be
Both are-
his
It ain't just your
and
son.
my
like
daughter.
that. I ain't
I
about
told the
to
baked
hold it up.
potatoes. I told her he's up. There's 1 biscuit left. A little bit of this. That's about it. Oh, how's yours?
I just got pasta left and 3 shrimp. Well, I got fries too.
Yeah, let's go. We can see it. And
Take
oh yeah,
those
they getting
fries.
still the
I had to
fries.
get extra fries because he dropped
I'm
some
gonna kill
fries.
this. Let me spill it.
I'm glad he ain't heard it. That plate could have been how he could have been burnt. That's all over. He didn't make
That'd have
it.
been on camera. I rewind that about 30 times.
I don't want nothing like that to happen.
Oh, the history played that about 30 times. Thank y'all for watching. This is another banging video from We Good. And yeah, I don't know where we're going next. Leave a comment if y'all have any ideas for us. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Hit that bell. The bell sign next to subscribe. Hit all. And when you notified every time we drop a banging video. Anything to say? Final thoughts?
Can't even talk right now. I barely can breathe.
Full?
Ate too much.
How'd everything come out? How'd everything come out for you?
Great.
Awesome.
We out of here, y'all.
Peace. See you later.
Peace.